5 seconds to go. Start. Heard learned counsel for the petitioner and state. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner had submitted that petitioner was only a class 4 employee in the Bihar State Food and Civil Supply Corporation Limited, for short the corporation. Stop. The entire game was played by D.N. Singh, who was district manager, which has also come in the audit report, which is part of the FIR and annexed as Annexure 2. Stop. The informant, who was senior deputy collector cum district manager in charge of the godown, has not lost any case against said D.N. Singh, the then district manager, who had played entire game in committing misappropriation. Stop. The FIR has been lodged only against the petitioner, who was class 4 employee and was made in charge of the godown by D.N. Singh against the circular and government policy, which had also come in detail in audit report submitted by the auditor. Stop. The police submitted charge sheet against the petitioner on the basis of aforesaid FIR, and cognizance has been taken against the petitioner on the basis of the charge sheet. Stop. Para. This court is really surprised to find that the then district manager of the corporation, who was ultimately responsible for all such illegalities, had been given clean cheat by the informant. Stop. He was not made accused in the case. Stop. The petitioner, being the 4-grade employee, was posted by the then district manager, namely, D.N. Singh, as in charge assistant godown manager, although he was not entitled to be posted as such. Stop. He has been made accused in the case as scapegoat to save the skin of D.N. Singh, the then district manager of godown. Stop. Para. Learned ACGM, Bard, Patna is directed to give direction to the police to further reinvestigate the case in terms of provision of section 173(8) of the CRPC with regard to allegation against D.N. Singh, the then district manager, with regard to allegation of misappropriation of money, and appointing the petitioner, who was class 4 employee, as in charge assistant godown manager against the circulars and directions of the government. Stop. The magistrate will direct the police to complete the re-investigation with regard to role of then district manager Shri D.N. Singh in the entire game of the misappropriation of the money, as mentioned in detail in the audit report in accordance with law, and submit report before him within a period of 3 months from the date of passing of the order by the learned magistrate. Stop. Para. This court, at present, is not inclined to interfere with the impugned order with regard to the petitioner, by which cognizance has been taken against him on the basis of charge sheet submitted by the police. Stop. Para. This criminal miscellaneous petition is, accordingly, disposed of. Stop. The petitioner is given liberty to raise all the points, as raised in the present application, at the time of framing of charge, which shall be considered and disposed of by the learned court below in accordance with law, after taking into consideration the materials which will come during further investigation with regard to allegation against D.N. Singh, the then district manager. Stop.